on, guys? Here in my mom's bathroom. She wants to retowel the shower. But today's video is going to be about how to use the blue tape, painter's tape, to keep caulking from getting on the tub and the tile and not make a mess. So I hope it helps you guys out. I hope it's informative, and as always, thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in an earlier video, I was telling you guys about the blue tape. So here's an opportunity for me to show you the blue tape situation. Here we have the blue tape for the bottom. Now we got to do the top part. Remember, this is a trick to keep you from making a mess. See, there's no lip, very little lip. So what this does is when you put the caulking, you won't get too much on the tub and you won't get too much on the tile. You'll just get just enough bead around it, all the way around the tub. So now that I got all the caulking where I need it to be, I take my tape off. And no matter how bad of a mess I made, it will never show on the towel or the deck of the tub, so it's all on my tape. So, just little tricks you learn along the way, especially for companies. Because back charges are hell. And nobody wants it out their check. And there you have it. No messy deck. Sorry. No mess on the deck. No mess on the tile. That's how it's done. Your boy, AP, Anthony Perez. Man, they're building fast. Sorry, they ain't playing no games, man. Oh, I didn't even think Migos took break.